Hey guys, so today we will be discussing on how to rank on feature snippet on Google. Let's start. So what exactly is a feature snippet? A feature snippet is a short snippet of text that appears at the top of Google search results in order to quickly answer a searcher's query. The content that appears inside of a feature snippet is automatically pulled from web pages in Google's index. This rank of feature snippet is called position 0 as it appears above the traditional rank 1 spot. So the next section is why should we optimize for feature snippet? The reason is very simple. Feature snippets are an opportunity to get more clicks from the organic search results. According to Search Engine Land, a feature snippet gets approximately 8% of all clicks. So naturally, if you are able to get your content in the feature snippet, you can give your organic click-through rate a serious boost. So what are the types of feature snippets that are available on ACRP? There are three kinds of feature snippet. The first one is called the definition box or the text feature snippet. Suppose if you search the word feature snippet on Google, you can see that a definition will be appearing at the beginning of ACRP. So this kind of presentation, this kind of paragraph presentation of a feature snippet is called the text feature snippet or the definition box. The next type of feature snippet is called the table feature snippet. When your feature snippet content appears in form of a table, it's called the table feature snippet. The last type of feature snippet is the list feature snippet, which appears in form of a list. Now the list can be an ordered list, right, like this, or it also can be an unordered list. So the next section is how you can optimize your website or your web page for the feature snippet. Here is a step-by-step guide. The first step which we recommend is to look for competitors' queries where feature snippets are already appearing. For this, you can use competitors analysis tool like SEMrush or Href and look for your competitors' keywords with feature snippet. Gather a list of keywords which matches your requirement. The next step would be to prioritize those opportunities where you are ranking in top 5. Many SEO studies have already shown us that ranking position matters in terms of claiming a feature snippet. Simply put, the higher you rank, the better your chances will be of claiming a feature snippet. So once you gather your list of keywords which matches your requirement, look for those queries where you're already ranking in top 5. That those kind of queries will be your potential query list for feature snippet targeting. The next step would be to address similar question in your content. You can incorporate similar content in your page which you are targeting. So like you already have a list of queries where your competitors feature snippets are already appearing. What you need to do is you need to follow similar kind of question in your content. The fourth step would be to match the feature snippet format. The rule is simple here. Whatever feature snippet type you see on ACRP for your competitor, match that type in your content. The fifth step would be to try to add a what is in heading and is sentence structure in your answer. Adding this section gives Google a clear indication of what text they can pull into the feature snippet. Similarly, you can add how to section in your website wherever possible. By optimizing your content with how to phrases, you aim to convey a message that your content will answer questions or solve problems, and hence the chances of pulling the content for feature snippet will increase. The seventh step would be to try to define the topic in 2 to 3 sentences. This means the content you are optimizing must try to describe the topic as completely as possible in 2 to 3 sentences. For this rule, being concise is extremely important. The optimal length of a feature snippet paragraph is roughly 40 to 50 words or around 300 characters. Hence, it is very important to limit your content by that character limit. The eighth step would be to make your content better than your competitor. Whether you are creating new content or modifying the existing one, make sure it covers the basic information, add more value, and proves to be reliable to your user and the search engine's point of view. The ninth step would be to organize your content. You can do that with proper H1, H2, and H3 tags in your content. A well organized content is easy to scan through, read, and understand for your users and for search engines as well. The 10th step would be to optimize your page. So, by this time, you have already optimized your content for feature snippet. What you need to do next is you need to optimize your page which you are targeting for that feature snippet. You can do that by optimizing your meta tags, your URL structure, H1 tags, breadcrumbs, and so on. The last step and the 11th step would be to never use your brand name or first person in feature snippet text. Why? Because the user who are searching for such queries basically look for generic answer without any kind of brand name. So if you are putting your brand name in your content, in your feature snippet content, the chances of pulling that content for feature snippet will decrease. Hence, it is a strictly no-no. So these are the 11 steps which I believe will help you to optimize your web page for feature snippet appearance. Hope this helps. Thank you.